So you want to make money from home with YouTube Shorts? Then check this out. YouTube announced they will be giving $100 million to people just like you for creating YouTube Shorts. So if you want to get a piece of this pie, make sure you listen to the very end of this video, because I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create YouTube short videos without even showing your face. You'll get a lot of profitable niches, and we'll go over how to monetize those niches. I want to share with you the power of YouTube Shorts. And in case you don't know, this is YouTube's version of TikTok with 60-second or less videos. You aren't going to believe what I'm going to share with you. This has the potential to make you a lot of money. You can do this from anywhere in the world, and you don't need any experience. So let's go ahead and get started right now. This teenager created his YouTube channel back in 2015, and he's 17 years old. He taught himself magic by watching YouTube videos, and he was mainly posting on Instagram and TikTok, and he would only occasionally post on YouTube. Well, when YouTube came out with the YouTube Shorts earlier this year, he began posting on YouTube, and check this out. Within 2 weeks, his subscribers jumped from 17,000 to over 1 million, and now he has over 4 million subscribers. And if we look back at his views from when he created his channel, you can see that he didn't get that many views. And then he started posting YouTube Shorts, which you can see he did 4 months ago. And take a look at these views. His channel just exploded with millions of views on these videos. Look at this one, 138 million views. And his Social Blade stats are absolutely crazy. We don't know exactly how much he's making because it's based on his CPM, or cost per mil, which is the amount of money advertisers pay per 1,000 views. But let's just say he's making a lot of money, anywhere from $154 to $2.5 million a month. So even if you aren't into entertainment, another hugely profitable topic is education. So how can you create educational videos without showing your face and make a lot of money on YouTube? The first step is to pick a profitable niche, and I'm going to use the dating and relationship niche and show you how to create videos and how to post them on YouTube. Make sure you stick around until the end, because I'm going to share with you 7 other super profitable niches and ideas on how to monetize these niches. So how can you find profitable niches and ideas? First thing is you can search shorts on YouTube, or go to the YouTube app and look at the short shelf. So if we go to YouTube, just type in #shorts, and you can see all the different shorts videos that are here. Then you can search your channel idea and keywords on TikTok and see what's already working with short form videos. For example, I found this TikTok channel about dating, and he gives some really great advice here about texting, this video right here. And you can see that dating advice is a really good keyword that has over 44,000 searches a month and has medium competition. We can also go to channels like this one, where they never show their face, and look at their most popular videos and create a similar short video. But let me show you how to automate this. You'll create a script and then go to Vidnami. They do have a free trial that you can try out, and I'll leave a link in the description below this video. I have the paid version, which costs me $29 a month. So it's not very much, and will save you a ton of time with hundreds and hundreds of royalty-free video clips, photos, and music. Oh, and speaking of making money online, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation, I'm going to leave a link up above. You can go ahead and click on it and check it out if you'd like. So I created a short script with the topic 5 signs he is falling in love with you. So we're going to go ahead and copy this and go to Vidnami, and then click on create a new video. Then you'll want to choose the vertical template, because these YouTube Shorts are vertical videos. And you'll choose one of the templates, and then just click on use this template, and then you'll paste your script in here and put the title right here, and then click on create scenes. You can see what video clips come up with the text that you have. And if it doesn't make sense or you want to change it, you can simply go over here and click on something else, like guy talking to girl, and then you can see the other ones that are here. Maybe we want to pick this one right here. And then you'll simply scroll down, and they'll have a different clip for each thing that you're talking about. So you can see this one makes sense. He celebrates successes with you. This one I don't really like. He compliments you. Let's take a look at something else here. Maybe this one looks good. He talks about plans of the future with you. I actually like this one better here. And if you want to change the text or the font or anything, you can do that here. For example, I want this to be at the bottom, And I like this one better here. He's polite and attentive. And then we want to have a call to action. So there's a ClickBank product called 300 Creative Dates, and the average sale is $24. So I think that would go very well with this video. But you can see that dates come up, like the things that you eat. So you want to change that out, of course. But I would have a call to action for 300 Creative Dates. Click the link below. And then you would take this link right here to promote. Create hop links. You take this and put it in a link shortener like bit.ly, and then paste that in the description below the video. So this one I would probably change to dating to not have the videos come up that actually have dates in them. So we could do something like this, and I would put this at the bottom here. For 300 Creative Dates, click the link below. So after you have it looking the way that you want it to, then you're going to click on Add Voice Track to your video. You definitely do not want to use an auto voice. You want to record your own voice track or upload a voice track that maybe someone else did. So to record your own voice track, you just click there, and then you just click on Record, and you'll read what's on the screen. After you do that, just click on Stop, and then go to the next one. Record it, click on Stop, Next, and then you'll click on Preview your video. And if there's anything that you need to change, you can do it at this time. You can see that you can change any of the music in there as well. These are all royalty-free music. You can see it's only 11 seconds long. And after it's the way that you want it, just click on Generate Your Video. Then you'll click on Download Your Video, and it'll be stored in your computer, and it's ready to be uploaded to YouTube. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So once you're on your YouTube channel, you just click on Create and Upload Video. And then you can either drag and drop or just find it on your computer. You want to use your main keyword in the title and in the first line of your description. And also, this is super important, make sure you use hashtag shorts in your title. So we're going to do that right here. And I would just take this same title and put it in the first line of the description. Then you can see that you would use the same keyword in the description, and I would also use some related keywords like these right here. Then as far as a thumbnail, I would just pick one of these. You definitely don't need to have a thumbnail created. This one looks good to me. You'll click on No, it's not made for kids. Then as far as the tags go, I would find a similar video on YouTube and use their tags. Then as far as tags go, the first tag should be your main keyword. And then for the other keywords, I would go ahead and search your keyword, Science He's Falling in Love with You, and then find the top video here. And if you install vidIQ, which is a free Google Chrome extension, you can scroll down here and see what tags they're using in their video. And I would just click on the paperclip here and paste them in right here. Then click on Next. As of right now, you cannot monetize with ads just on a YouTube Shorts channel. But if you do have another channel, it will get monetized just because it is a video on your channel that's already monetized. I hope that makes sense. But right now we can't do that. My channel is monetized, so I could click on but for the sake of this video, you would just click on off. Now we can't do this because it's still uploading, but what I would highly recommend is that you add end screens, because what that's going to do is point people to your other videos so they can go in a viral loop and they'll watch a lot of your videos. Click on Next, Next, and then just click on Public and Save, and it'll be live. Okay, so the exciting part is how are you going to monetize these videos? You can use affiliate products like Amazon. For example, if you want to go to Amazon and find a book that you might want to put in the description of some of your videos, you can do that. For example, maybe this book right here. After you sign up for the affiliate program, which is free, just click on text and you'll get the text right here to take someone to this book. Then of course you have JVZoo, ClickBank. ClickBank, like we talked about, has some dating affiliate programs. Digistore24 is another great affiliate platform that you can find products in. And then also you can sell merchandise. Amazon has its own print on demand, which is called Amazon Merch. So you put designs on a t-shirt and put those in the description of your video. Or you could go to Redbubble and upload designs as well. And they do have a video on exactly how to do this step by step. You can do it for completely free from your cell phone. So I will post that in the description below this video. And then number 5, you're gonna repeat it. You can post 2 to 3 times a day, but if you can post daily, that's gonna help you get that momentum. And of course, this won't happen overnight, but the most important thing is that you are consistent. And these videos don't take very long to make, so it would be pretty easy to do this on a daily basis. Now, what are some other profitable niches? This is super exciting because you can make a lot of money in these niches. The first one is Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. Take a look at this keyword, cryptocurrency for beginners. There's a lot of people that want to learn about cryptocurrency, but they don't know anything. Over 521,000 searches a month in its medium competition. So you could create a channel just around cryptocurrency for beginners and just give facts on different aspects of this topic. For example, I found this TikTok channel where he gives facts about cryptocurrency. And of course, you wouldn't have to show your face. You could create videos like we did in Vendami, where you have the script and then just paste it into Vendami. Life hacks is another great profitable niche, and you could use Amazon affiliate products in the description of the video, depending on what life hack that you're talking about. I found this channel on the health niche on TikTok, and she gets a lot of views here, and she just talks about motivation with health. You could give facts about health, and then in the description of your video, if you have a link to a product like in Digistore 24 here, you could link to Medicore, which is for weight loss, and you can see that the average sale is $128. It'd be something really good to link to those type of videos. Make money online is another super profitable niche, and if you have, like, let's say an affiliate program that you're part of, a business opportunity, you can have a call to action for my #1 recommendation. Click the first link in the description below the video. Side hustles would be another great idea. And I think you could do side hustle #1, 2, 3, 4. You could use those as your videos. And all you need to do is go to TikTok to get ideas. So you can see here, this channel is all just about side hustles. And you could look at these videos, do something very similar, and post it as a YouTube Shorts. Work from home jobs, another great profitable niche. And there's plenty of make money online affiliate programs that you can link with this. And then travel is another great niche, and there are so many travel affiliate programs. So if you just go to Google and search travel affiliate programs, you'll find that there's a lot of different programs that you can become a part of for free, and then post in the description below the video something relating to what you're talking about on travel. So I really hope you go out there and make some really good money with YouTube Shorts. And if you like this video, I think you really like this video coming up, 7 ways to make money on TikTok. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.